Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing my custom low mount exhaust. Went to the hardware store and got some nuts and bolts for it, but as you can tell it has its own bracket that mounts. It's kind of hard to tell, but mounts up under here, and it's got its own O2 bung as well. Really cool color, not very loud, which is I like a quieter exhaust, but gonna get this going here and get it mounted up. The first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and install this bracket first, and once I get it installed and I got lock washers, nuts and bolts and everything here, and I'll get everything going here. So give me just 1 minute and I'll be right back with you. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and unclip this from the top. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Sit here in the back. You gotta squeeze it on both sides. Let me get it unclipped here and I'll be right back with you. Okay, now that I got it done, I'm just gonna hand tight it there and get where I can start mounting this here. It's gonna come out just a little bit, so it's gonna look good, but let me get the bracket installed. Okay. As you can see how I kind of mocked it up here, I haven't tightened it yet, but that's going to work. That's going to work right there. As soon as I get it ready, it's looking good. I'm going to go ahead and plug this back in. It's got a little dot on it. It only goes one way. There we go. And okay, got that back, got that there. Looking good. I'm going to go ahead and tighten these down. Like I said, I use lock washers and washers, so you do not have to use the Loctite, because that'll work. And I'll be right back with you. Okay, now I'm tightening the exhaust bolts here. And these things will get loose on you, so make sure you snug them real good. There we go, that's good. There. Alright, I think that's her. Let's see what size this is. $17. Alright, now that I got that on there, pull the cover off. There we go. And what you want to do now is you want to wipe all that off. All your fingerprints. If you don't, then it'll etch into the exhaust when you fire it up. Okay. All right. That's her. Let's fire it up. Let's move some of my tools out of the way here. And let's see what it sounds like. Hadn't started in a couple weeks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that sounds great. All right, guys, I got one of these exhausts left. 185 shipped, and I'll get it posted up. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.